Let's dive into today's top story. The United States is grappling with heightened tensions at its southern border after former President Donald Trump declared a national emergency earlier this week. This has led to the closure of the US Mexico border and a significant shift in migration policies. The CBP-1 app, introduced under former President Joe Biden, which allowed asylum seekers to schedule entry appointments, has been abruptly shut down. This has left thousands of migrants stranded in Mexico, many of whom had already secured appointments but are now unable to proceed. Reports indicate that around 2,000 migrants are waiting in border towns near the US, left vulnerable, without legal protection from either Mexican or American authorities. This has made them easy targets for criminal gangs. Some migrants have faced extortion, kidnappings, and violence. In Ciudad Juarez, for example, a family reported being forced to pay $1,400 per person to criminal groups. Sadly, others have been injured, disappeared, or killed. Meanwhile, US Border Patrol officials in Texas have stepped up their efforts to prevent illegal crossings. A new barrier of buoys has been installed along the Rio Grande River as part of enhanced measures following Trump's executive order. On the other side, Mexico is bracing for mass deportations under the Trump administration's policies. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum has called for international support and reiterated her government's commitment to treating migrants with dignity, repatriating them to their home countries if they're not Mexican citizens. Despite the crackdown, Mexico notes a reduction in migrant arrivals at the northern border, attributing this to its more comprehensive humanitarian policies. In another development, India has reportedly agreed to take back 18,000 nationals who entered the US illegally. This comes after a high-level meeting between US Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar in Washington. The move underscores the growing importance of US-India relations, with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi maintaining a strong personal rapport with Trump. This cooperation could signal New Delhi's intent to strengthen its ties with Washington amid these challenging times. That's your quick update on this pressing issue. For more insights and analysis, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates from around the world.